Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw catnap. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with catnap, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making an oval shape like this. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another oval shape right here, trying to make it about the same size. Right here, I'm going to make a little line across, and then a little V shape for the nose. Inside these eyes, I'm also going to make an oval shape right inside of each one. Starting right here at the bottom of the nose, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up. And then same thing here, I'm just going to go down and then up. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line here, and then a little line right here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down and then up here for the mouth. And then for the tongue, I'm going to make a line that goes up and down and then up and down. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve here, and then one that's going to curve here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down, and then one that's going to come up and down and connect. Now for the ears, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up, and then I'm going to curve it down and in. And then same thing here, I'm going to bring this up, and then curve it down and in. Then I'll make a small shape inside of each one for the inside of the ear. And then I'll make a line that's going to curve up and then down right here for the eyebrows. Next, I'm going to put a little curve at the end of these. Then I'll make another one that's going to go out and then out and in. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And then we want to work on the body. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to curve it around and bring it up to here. Next, right here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out, and I'm going to curve it around. And I'll do the same thing here. Bring this line out, and then curve it around. I want to bring this line down and then back in. So it's the same thing, just kind of up and down and then back in. Curve line here and a curve line here. Now for the legs, let's make a line that comes down on each side. Bring this line out and down, and then same thing here. Bring this line out and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line across and up. And then same thing here. Bring this line across and then up. Next, I'm going to add a line here and a line here for the toes. Same thing here. A line here and then a line here for the toes. Then let's curve a line here, and let's curve a line here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a big C shape like this. And then I'm going to make a smaller C shape inside of here. Then I'll make a line that comes down on each side. And inside the hands, let's make another little curve line for the fingers. Now let's make the tail. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve out. It's going to come down to here. I'll make a line here. And then I'll make a line that's going to come out and around to here. Next, I'm going to curve this around, and I'm going to bring this over to here. We'll jump between here, and we're going to bring this line right around to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Catnap. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.